Okay, many system administrators are not interested in creating a robust access control list or ACL. So employees are able to see more data than they should, making it easy to expose it to a malicious person,
Hmm.
especially if they don't know the sensitivity of that data, which is usually all the time.
It's always
Yeah.
the case.
Social engineers depend on how much an employee knows about the target. The lack of information on social engineering risks in an organization's security policy creates employee ignorance of the risks of social engineering. It's like we said before, they don't even know it exists, right?
Hmm.
Employees are not aware of how a social engineer can extort information from them or what social engineering attempts they may face on their computers every single day. So, this is important. Creating a policy that states how employees should use their computers and what information they can and cannot disclose can help prevent them from falling victim to such an attack.
And one thing you need to remember, however, sometimes it just isn't enough to have an ACL and a security policy in place.
Right.
So companies should also train their employees and show them exactly how social engineering attacks are performed. Employees should be shown how to identify scam emails and phishing sites and how to identify social attacks via phone or even face-to-face conversations.
Yeah, that's a good point.